In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix restart to repair drive error on Windows 10 or 11. If in your Windows 10 PC, there's a prompt restart to repair drive errors, this usually indicates that one of your local drives is corrupted. To fix it, open your settings menu, click on Update and Security, then select Recovery, click Restart Now to begin. Once your PC restarts, navigate to Troubleshoot, then go to the Advanced options. After that, click Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type this command to check for corrupted drives. This process may take some time, so please be patient. If the command executes successfully and your driver is not dirty, meaning it's now working normally, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.